Hey, welcome back, folks. All right, so we've just installed the roof today. We've done all of our flashing, installed that behind our leisure boards, and did our step flashing along with the siding going up in each level of your shingles. So over here, what we've started already, if you want to take a look, we've started to install our ridge caps. So we have a couple of them down already. This is just the installation. Put one of these down. You want to line it up over the middle. Just shoot it in. And each lap, you're actually going to connect. Each shot is actually going to reach the one underneath it. That's really going to hold it in. You want to get a better view from over the side. Pretty much the installation process as far as the ridge caps go. And these are 3 tabs. What we did is got the same color as the original architectural shingles, but you only can cut your ridge caps out of your 3 tabs because of how they're configured. This will take you a little time with the process of cutting it, but it's well worth the cost of just buying a whole pack of ridge caps. And it's a pretty easy process. Make sure you all tune into our business page at All Elite Construction at llc.com.